How to fix Android app not installed error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device, or rather you can simply go back to settings over here. So let's launch the settings application over here and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, because if you do not have a stable connection, you'll not be able to download the apps. So it will not get installed. So first of all, check on the connection. Next, what you can do is simply tap on about phone and make sure you have an updated version of the device over here for yourself. As it says no updates available, it means we have the latest version of the application. So we can go back and simply tap on the storage. So when you do not have enough storage, then we tend to have issues in installing the applications and we have not installed errors. So make sure that you have proper storage areas and storage space so that the app will get installed. And if that does not work out for you, again you can simply make a long press on the power button, tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.